Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about solo ads and where you can get quality solo ads so you don't waste your money. If you've had any experiences like I have, you've probably bought solo ads from random solo ad vendors and been ripped off. No results whatsoever, basically just burning your money away. You don't have to worry about that anymore. With this site called Udimi, you can find sellers and look at other people's ratings and reviews on them, and you can make like an educated buy. You can literally see what you're probably going to get before you purchase it. So it's free to sign up, and you once you're inside, you'll come to a page like this. You simply go up to the top and click find sellers, and then you will be brought to the sellers page. Up top is a filter. You can set these filters however you like. I'm just going to leave it blank for the sake of the video and scroll through. Here's some of the sellers. You can see this guy's charging 49 cents a click. This is the percentage of buyers reporting sales, and this is how many thumbs up likes he has. So if we wanted to learn more, you would just click on him, and it would go into him talking about his traffic, 90% tier 1 traffic, yada yada. You get it, you know that. But here's the really powerful part of the whole website. It's the reviews. You can actually see what people are saying. Like, this is fresh, pretty much. This guy bought yesterday, and he got, out of 100 clicks, he got 32 opt-ins and 2 sales, and he'll be back, he says. Like, and you can see a lot of these people got sales. People are giving good reviews. This guy didn't get a sale, but he got 40 opt-ins out of 100 clicks. That's pretty good. So you can actually judge these solo ads vendors and make an educated like decision on whether you want to spend your money on this vendor. This is really powerful, guys, and it will save you a lot of money. That's pretty much it for Udemy. I mean, there's not much more to go into. I mean, you can message these people, talk to them, and make a good decision before buying. I hope this helped people. I'm actually going to drop a link below for Udemy, and if you go through my link, you'll get $5 off your first solo ad. So I hope that helps you guys.